I have a dream I'm here to tell about a wonderful, fantastic new hotel. Yes, it's one of a kind, right here in town, catering to a specific clientele. Inside of every demon is a rainbow. Inside of every sinner is a shiny smile. Inside of every creepy hatchet willing maniac is a jolly happy couple living child. We can turn them round, they'll be heaven bound with just a little time down at the Happy Hotel. So all you junkies, freaks and weirdos, creepers, fucks, obstacles and zeros, and downfall superheroes, help is here. All these breakers, all losers, sexual deviants and bruises, and prescription drugs that abusers need no fear. Forever again, we'll do a sin, we'll make you well. Your faces will right here in hell at the Happy Hotel. There'll be no more fire and no more screams, just puppy dog kisses and cotton candy dreams and puffy waffy clouds. You're gonna be like, wow, once you check in with me. So all your kind of porn addiction, vegan, recycling, ancient Roman crucifixion, and right here, all your monsters, food and greedy, cannibals and crime readers, fools and mouths full of babies, feel good shit. You'll be complete, it'll be something about sex, baby, it'll be on the street. Yes, life will be sweet.